Hello guys, this is Vysh. So we are catching up the Plums episodes because June last week and July first week we had kept it on hold, and our editorial series and all started. So I was busy with a lot of things, and now we are trying to do it every day 5 MCQs of a different subject done by a different teacher. And if you have not seen, if you are new to this channel, please watch from the starting from episode 1 because questions came directly from these series in the prelims exam. Okay, and next year also it will come because I teach only from standard newspapers and the standard textbooks. So obviously question will come. Okay, it will not come out of it. Even if it comes, it will be little, the wordings will be, or options will be different, pattern will be different, but the knowledge you will have to solve it. Okay, so that speed, when you improve every day, you will, by the time of your exam, you will be able to clear. But randomly one day you sit and try to by heart 100 episodes, it is not possible. Daily have this practice of watching Plums before you sleep. It will help you. Okay, I'm guaranteeing you it will help you. And lectures anyway, I'm doing it for free, almost all the subjects now, newspaper also I'm doing. So whatever you need, just hit that subscribe button, put a like, put a comment, support me. Okay, then I will see to it that you are getting the best content. Just put that, now itself pause the video, like, because you know my quality if you're already here in Vysh IAS. Put a like, put a comment, put a thumbs up, thank you, I have seen, present sir, anything. Okay, just put that comment, because next day when I come, I'll see like, okay, 100 comments are there. I'll feel, okay, 100 people are waiting for my video. Next day I'll be more motivated to give you more good quality questions. Okay, but if I come and I see like 3 comments and 65 likes, it is not enough. We have a channel of 1 lakh subscribers. You have to come and participate. Okay, it's free. Don't pay anything. Just study free, study well. Okay, so first question. One more change. Mondays usually we do history, but now I have made it like history plus IR. Okay, international relation also, many questions are coming. So there will be a mix. Okay, history and this thing Monday. But other days, as of now, is the same subjects which you have assigned. But this is a new change. So Sherpa's meeting can be seen in news in relation to. Okay, Sherpa's meeting. Okay, Sherpa is like a personal representative of India. So there, where all you will see this usually? In the G7 summits, in the G20 summits, in the BRICS summit, or all of the above. Okay, Sherpa, if you are a good aspirant, okay, there's no way that you did not hear about Sherpas. Every day in the newspaper it will be there. Okay, somewhere, wherever summit, wherever is happening, it will be there. So here it's very easy, as I told, for easy serious aspirant. Here the answer is all the above. G20 Sherpa's meeting, G7 Sherpa meeting. Okay, Sherpa is actually a term, okay, that I'll show you here. Sherpa is a personal representative of head of state or government preparing an international summit like G7 and G20. Okay, even in the BRICS recently, the Sherpa's summit was there. Okay, so Sherpa word origin and all is from the Nepali group. If you see the last one, Nepal ethnic group, they serve as the guide and porters across the Himalayas. Who is the guide and all, that group of people are the Sherpa. So it's same like that when somebody is planning on behalf of India our summit and coordinating all these things, they are called, that meeting is called Sherpa's meeting. Okay, so that is how the name is, and it is there in almost all the summits which I have showed here. Now question number 2, Iron Dome. This was in news repeatedly. So Iron Dome seen in news relates to the defense mechanism of which country? Okay, so USA, Germany, Israel, Russia. So all of these people engage in wars and things and all, except Germany. Now I'm telling, Germany in World War it was there, but now they won't involve too much in wars and all. But USA is involved, Israel is involved, Russia is involved. So defense mechanism, Iron Dome, which country are we talking about? So here answer is C, that is Israel. Okay. So in some other session I will with pictures and all explain it nicely, but as of now you understand it's a air defense system. Okay, meaning any missiles, rockets, everything is coming, it will neutralize it. Okay, anti-missile kind of system you can tell. So it's a short range ground air-to-air defense system. It is used to counter rockets, mortars, aircraft, helicopter, any kind of artillery or vehicles. Okay, in 2006 when Israel-Lebanon war was happening, these Hezbollah people, they fired thousands of rockets to Israel. Following this, Israel announced to have a real advanced system run by the government of Israel will develop, Israel will develop air defense system to protect its people and city. So that is how, meaning 2006 only they developed it, and it was deployed in 2011, and its success rate is more than 90%. Okay, so even India and all can learn from it, and India already, when Prime Minister Modi went, I think he has talked about it, and we will also develop such a defense system. We already have many anti-radar, anti-missile systems, but again, Israel system is always one of the like world-class things. Okay, so 3 systems again. The very like detailing of that thing, okay, how it works and all is given here, not very important for you, but you can simply go through it. Okay, like example, like it intercept missiles in all directions. So that kind of, it's extreme statement, but it is actually there. It's a front approach is there, rear approach, side approach, from whichever direction it comes, it can handle it. So that kind of extreme things also you can just go through, okay, for your interest also. Then some one country approved the sale of P-81 petrol aircraft to India? Okay, so which country is the one who approved the sale to India? Okay, Russia, France, UK, USA. Obviously, India has a trade relation with everyone, defense trade relation. We get airplanes from them, fighter jets from them. So anything can be the answer, okay, unless you study it properly. And this type of questions also UPSC keeps asking, okay, just a missile's name or just even a station, like a naval station is there, a base station we have in some country, anything, okay, like even not only India's, like South Korea got this particular missile from which country, that kind of questions also UPSC ask. Why they are asking? Because it was in news. Okay, they won't randomly ask the GK of South Korea and all. They will ask because it was in news. Okay, even India is giving out. India is selling BrahMos to many countries in the Southeast Asia region. So it is very important you study everything which is related to defense space sector. You have to study. Okay, so here answer will be USA. Okay, USA approved the sale of P-81 petrol aircraft to India. It is a long-range aircraft. It was manufactured by Boeing company of USA for Indian Navy. It's a variant of another one which was already there, which is operated by the US Navy, and it can be used in this maritime anti-submarine warfare and all. So it's a Navy-related thing which is being bought by India from USA. Question number 4, which of the following are true about drones? Okay, so drones is now everywhere, drones is there. Okay, not only in like warfare and all, even in basic, even your marriage functions and all, drone cameras and all these things are there. So drones you have to know in and out. Even mains questions have come. So beyond visual line of sight is the second stage in the testing of drones. Okay, so drones when they develop, they have different levels of testing, and that keeps coming in news. Okay, like this particular drone, it is in the second level, it is in the third level. That kind of testing happens. So that is one statement. Second, Indian Armed Forces has been using drone to deliver payload since more than 2 decades. Okay, so timeline they are asking. Did like maybe 20 years back, did we start using drones for any delivery? Okay, that is the question. So options 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So this again you have to know, like from when it is appearing in news, or maybe you would have by hearted something about drones passage. You have to know these things. Okay, UPSC is making sure students have the concept clarity, not just by hearting some names or number. They should know like, okay, this is how this country is working since long time. This is how we import or export. Everything you should know concept. Okay, so here answer is C. Both of them are true, because since 2000, okay, the year 2000, army has been using drones for this delivery purposes and all. So it may sound maybe absurd for you, but it is like that. It's not like now when you heard about drones very repeatedly, not now. From that time army is using it. Okay, and the second stage of testing is also correct, and that recently was allowed. Okay, 20 entities to conduct beyond visual line of flight of drones, recently allowed by the Ministry of Aviation. Okay, so it is written, it's like where the drones go outside their normal range, visible range. It is a second stage in testing of the drones. In the first phase, the drones are operated within the visual sight. So that kind of first stage, second stage thing is there, and when both are completed, then they ask for clearance, okay, for usage in different places, in vaccine delivery and many things and all. And it is cost effective, numerous application, allow drone for collecting more data. Okay, so that kind of things are there. Traditionally helicopters and airplanes were being used, but now a drone is enough for like remotely also you can operate. Okay, so again the Indian Council of Medical Research, IIT Kanpur, everybody have been recently permitted to study this vaccine delivery through drones and all. That kind of studies are also going on. Indian Armed Forces also since 2000 they are using this technology. Okay, so that is the news. Now last question for today, which of the following are true? Guru Har Gobind is the youngest son of Guru Tej Bahadur. Guru Tej Bahadur was executed on the orders of Aurangzeb. Guru Tej Bahadur wrote more than 100 hymns that were included in the Guru Granth Sahib. So this is like in your Spectrum textbook and all, you would have studied about the 10 popular Punjabi Sikh rulers. Okay, so sorry, the Sikh persons, the priest. Okay, many are there, not only these two, there are 10 people. So this this little GK type of question, but it is there in your textbooks. Okay, so 1 3 only, 1 2 3, 3 only, and 2 3 only. Okay, so here the answer, if you see, is D. Okay, that is 2 3 only, because the first one we have reversed it. It is actually Tej Bahadur is the youngest son of this one, Har Gobind. Okay, Har Gobind. Then the other things are correct. He was executed by Aurangzeb and he wrote more than 100 hymns that are included in Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, so here you can see 400th Prakash Purab. Okay, so that is actually a festival kind of thing, meaning birth anniversary you can tell. Guru Tej Bahadur's birth anniversary is like that day, and that is like 400th version was going on. He has wrote 115 hymns that has been included in the Guru Granth Sahib. He was born in 1621. He is the youngest son of Guru Hargobind Singh, and Tej Bahadur was executed on the orders of Aurangzeb. Okay, so these kind of things about Mughal rulers and the religious people there, that timeline is in your medieval history, and that sometimes is asked by UPSC. Okay, so here because of news item we have asked this, and the book's first version is Adi Granth, and that basic things about the Sikhism religion is given here. Okay, so you can just go through and then tell your comments. Now again, test series, as I told, 2023 prelims got over, and you saw how many questions came from our test series, how many were solvable from our test series. If you feel you need a 1 year proper study timetable and then study according to that, meaning you don't need coaching, you need guidance to study day by day, any like mentorship kind of thing, that if you need, you can watch these 2 videos, part 1, part 2. If you don't have the link, it's there in the description also, else come and ask me in WhatsApp number and I will give you these 2. You watch it, understand it, and if it feels like it's working for you, then you can join. Okay, later also second batch, third batch and all will come, but the number of days to study will go on reducing because the exam date is fixed. May 26th is fixed, right? So you have to see to it and come and enroll it. Okay, so again, don't skip all these videos. If you're watching free videos and all, don't skip all these things. Next episode will come tomorrow. Okay.